It is now okay to take out and start using those large laptops and devices. And in just a few minutes, we're going to be coming to the cabin with our in-flight service. Although you will see the flight attendants moving up and about the cabin, we do need you all to remain seated with those seatbelts fastened until the captain feels it is safe enough to turn that seatbelt sign off. That is for the safety of you and for all of those fabulous people around you. Once he does turn that seatbelt sign off, there are two incredibly spacious, quite lavish lavatories available for you on board. There's one up here in the front, there is one in the back. And one last very, very important security regulation that we do need you to follow is that you do not stand in line, congregate, loiter, hang out, anything of that nature up here in this forward galley lavatory cockpit area.